With the other half.
I'll cook the other batter.
What's that? What's that?
Carrot cake. Well, my
Carrot
ate
cake.
Carrot cake.
Galing naman ni ate, oh. This is our baker,
Cooker.
Ashley.
Cooker, everything.
That's one that look make
Wow,
sure you
what's
feed
that?
every day.
Can I have it? Carrot cake nga.
Carrot cake nga. Galing na ate. Pwede na mag-asawa. But Daddy said,
Oh, of course I
anong
want.
sabi mo, Daddy?
No asawa forever.
No, it's all forever.
Look, she's gonna
No one will bake for
the
us.
family forever.
You'll stay here for eternity.
We want to eat.
Galing ni ate
You can have a baby. It's okay.
mag-bake.
Mommy will look after your baby.
Yeah.
You can have a kid as long as you feed us for the rest of your life. What, you eating it like that?
Yeah.
Why?
Taste test daw. Taste test. Taste test. Ila.
Late naman ano ko.
Nayon ka? Uy.
Oh, it's really hot. Really hot. It's just freshly baked.
Sarap?
Yes, sir.
It's better freshly baked. It's so good. Thanks to our chef, Ashley
Wow.
Davies.
Wow, big.
Sarap? I cannot take you as your naked eh.
It's absolutely delicious.
Ay, puta lang daw.
Careful, hot, eh?
It's really hot, but it's so good.
Eat it like that. Yeah. Okay.
It's good. Really good.
Mm.
It's crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside.
Wow, you can start making cakes for a living. That's better than any Philippine cake. Don't put any frosting on that.
Yeah, just like that.
Sarap?
It's tall.
I want more.
Uh-oh. I need more too.
You need to
Wala na. Hindi na naman yan naabot ng mga 1 hour. That's finished na.
Don't worry, this is
In
second
this
batch.
house, yes.
It's too good kasi.
Wow.
I have one more too.
Wow.
Daddy,
Kita yung mobs niya.
I love your abs.
One
Love
ab.
Daddy's ab.
One ab.
1 ab.
Yung bowl sa'yo ko. Too
Just put it down. It's okay.
Too hot.
Yeah.
Look at- Gagawa pa sa atin ng isa, meron pang isa doon.